Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Ottawa, Ontario, is the beautiful capital city of Canada. This city is known for its mix of history, culture, and scenic landscapes. Ottawa started as a trading post and logging hub along the Ottawa River in the early 19th century. In 1857, Queen Victoria decided to make Ottawa the capital of Canada, mainly because it was located between the major cities of Toronto and Montreal. The city grew quickly, becoming not only a political center but also a hub for education and technology. Ottawa sits on the banks of the Ottawa River, right on the border between Ontario and Quebec. You'll also find the beautiful Rideau Canal running through the city, which becomes a skating rink in winter, and is the world's largest naturally frozen skating rink. The city is surrounded by nature, with Gatineau Park just across the river, offering hiking trails and stunning views. Ottawa is a bilingual city, where both English and French are widely spoken. It's also home to government workers, students, and professionals, giving the city a mix of energy and charm. The neighborhoods are full of parks and bike paths, making it a great place to explore on foot or by bike. Whether you're here for the history, the museums, or just to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors, Ottawa has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this little tour of Canada's capital.
Bye.